Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass. Today we have a quick unboxing of the Honor MagicBook 14. This laptop from Honor features a super slim design, a Ryzen 5 processor with Radeon graphics and a slim and light package. Also on board you're getting 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. Screen resolution comes in at 1920 by 1080 at 14 inches. It also has an 84% screen to body ratio with tiny bezels. Battery life is also good with a 56 Wh battery, which can be charged from 0 to 40% in just 30 minutes with the included USB-C charger. You also have Dolby Atmos sound built in with a 4-speaker array for some great sound quality. First impressions are the laptop feels nice. It's very light but feels sturdy. There is minimal movement in the keyboard deck and the screen has very little movement to it as well. It's got a really nice design with this space grey and blue finish, and again the Honor logo looks really nice in this electric blue which kind of stands out a bit. Having a quick look around, we have a USB-C port for charging, USB 3.0 and full HDMI, and the other side holds a USB 2.0 port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Opening the lid, we have that screen with the slim bezels and no webcam, and that's because it's actually in the keyboard for some extra privacy. Now some people may not like this, but I'll try it out and give you my opinion. Now first impressions of the keyboard are that if you've used any older MacBook Air, then you'll love the look and feel of this keyboard as it's pretty much identical. The trackpad is also nice size and very clicky. Now you do have a fingerprint reader right there on the right hand side, which is really easy to log straight into Windows, which is great for quick access. So I'm going to start using the MagicBook 14 as my only laptop for the next week to give you my honest thoughts on if this sub £600 laptop is actually worth it. Now if there's anything that you want to know, let me know in the comment section below. Of course, stuff like 4K video edits will still be done on my main iMac machine, but for everything else like watching videos, photo edits, music, emails and maybe a little gaming, I'll be doing on this. So if you enjoyed this quick unboxing, drop a thumbs up down below, and like I mentioned, if you've got any questions or comments about this laptop or anything else on the channel, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already, now is a great time to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I drop a new video here on the channel, including the full review of the Honor MagicBook 14. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.